Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you eager to escape the hustle and bustle of city life and wake up to the sun rising in all its glory over the mountains? Or as you enjoy an early morning swim in one of the nearby beaches of your choice, you can. Come home to a beautiful, modern, turnkey, fully fenced, 4 bedroom, 4 bathroom house within the gated community of Sunrise Manor in Yallahs, St. Thomas. The house will sit on Lot 2, an evenly distributed lot of 8,620 square feet, providing ample room for expansion. The development will include 2 recreational areas, an automatic gate, a security post, and home designed by property owners who will build on their own land. The developer retained 4 lots to provide quality home solutions for you. Sunrise Manor is approximately 30 minutes from Harborview and approximately 50 minutes from Kingston. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 285,000 or Jamaican $43.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend Thanks for watching, guys.